Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export latitude and longitudes from FieldGenius. So what I've done is on the map screen here, you can see I've got 2 points. Point 1, I shot with the simulator. And you can see if I open up the point information, I've got a user point with some northing and eastings. And if I back out of here and I go to point 2, which is one that I calculated, you can see here that I have some northing easting elevation again and a user point. But what's going to happen is when I export these 2 points with our extended format, I'm actually going to get a different information set. So if I close out of point 2 here and head to my plumb bob in the bottom left corner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on import/export, points observations, and ASCII coordinate export. And what I'm going to do here in order to make sure I get my latitude and longitude of any GPS points is I'm going to make sure my output format is set to extended. So this is going to give me my northing easting elevation as well as my latitude, longitude, and ellipsoidal height. So once I have that selected here, I'm going to click on OK. It's going to prompt me to export it. I'm just going to save this to my desktop so it's real easy to find here. And I'm going to call it my lat and long and click on save. It's going to tell me those 2 points are exported. And if I minimize this window and open up that CSV file, what you can see here is point 1, which was a GPS point, has the latitude and longitude associated with it. And any point that I have calculated is not going to have that latitude and longitude associated with it. You will have to do a conversion at a later date if you want that information. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export the latitude and longitude from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.